Hello guys, welcome back to Crazy Dumplings.
This is Meghana.
This is Ritesh.
So guys, today we are reacting to a special movie trailer which casts many superheroes in it.
Yes guys, today we are reacting to a 2008 Malayalam movie trailer.
Yeah.
So the movie name is 2020.
Yes.
So we are reacting to its trailer. So it has been mentioned that this movie casts different superstars in it.
Yes.
So we are excited to see all the stars in one trailer on one screen.
Yeah.
So without wasting any time, let's just jump into the video and we'll talk about it. Okay. Guys, one more thing. Actually, this link to the trailer has been sent to us by Muhammad Yazin.
Yes.
So thank you, Muhammad Yazin, for sending us the link on Instagram.
Yes, thank you so much.
You got me grooving. You got me dancing all baby, 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 baby. You got me feeling I'm not
Oh, so
It's
many
very,
heroes.
yeah, it's very good to see all of them on one
Yeah.
screen. And that last fight was with Mammootty and
Yeah.
Mohanlal, right? They are,
That
those
was
two
unexpected.
superstars are fighting against each other. So it would be interesting to watch how it
Yes.
turns out to be. And also we have seen Suresh Gopi sir in his usual role,
Yeah,
the police
police
role,
role.
and we saw Jairam Ettan sir and Dilip Ettan also.
Yeah.
That. And I guess each actor is playing a role at which he is good at, right?
Yes.
Like
yeah.
Mammootty sir appears to be an officer, I guess.
Mm.
Like he's famous for the King movie, like IPS officer, right?
Yes, yes,
So he
yes.
appears to be similar kind of role, and Mohanlal sir is mass look, has some mass
Yeah.
look in him, and Suresh Gopi sir is police officer. Jairam Ettan actually a family role, I guess.
Yes.
So all the heroes are playing the roles which they are good at, I guess, and this movie would be very interesting
Yes.
to watch.
It would be a nice feast to
Yeah.
all the fans.
Yeah, it would be
mutual
nice
fans.
twist to all the
Yes.
fans, and I think it's the first Indian film which has been mentioned
Yes, yeah.
where such an attempt is being done, and I think it's a good attempt. I think such attempts, such movies should be made in other industries also.
Hmm. So I wonder what does the title 2020 mean actually?
Yeah, actually, what does it mean?
So guys, if you know, please do mention in the comments below.
Yes, guys, and also, what will be the story, right? It will be interesting
Yes.
regarding the story, how it turns out to be, what are the roles of these all superstars. So it will be very exciting to watch.
I wonder if it is a crime thriller or something
Yeah,
like
it
that.
would be interesting if it is a crime thriller, but we don't know about it.
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you for suggesting this trailer
Yes.
to us. Actually, and even though it's a 2008 movie, I think seeing all the stars together, it's a delight to watch.
Yes.
So guys, that's our reaction to a 2020 trailer. So if you want us to react to more videos, please comment in the box below, in the comments below. So we'll react to them as soon as possible. And also you can connect me on Instagram. I'll provide my Instagram handle in the description. Also I'll give you the link, so you can directly DM me the request you have, whatever
Yes.
request you have. So we'll get back to them as soon as possible. And also guys, we have also reacted to some mashups of heroes like Mammootty sir, Mohanlal sir, Suresh Gopi sir,
Yeah.
and also some movie scenes from the movie The King and the Commissioner movie. So I'll provide all the links at the end of this video. I'll provide the playlist, so you can go and watch those videos there. So if you like those videos, please hit the like button there. So guys, that's the end of the video.
So if you like the video, please hit the like button. And also please do subscribe to Crazy
Crazy
Dumplings.
Dumplings.
And also please hit the bell icon, ting for notifications.
So guys, we'll meet in the next video then.
Bye.